Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I wanted.
Welcome to day 13 of Vlogmas. I don't believe I've been going this strong. I mean, I don't have a lot of activities for Vlogmas, but for me to document some of the things that I've been doing daily, it's very great for me. And also, it's a way to make sure that I'm accountable and I'm picking up the camera and getting used to editing, doing all of the works, and staying laser focused. I mean, I still have work to do, but I'm vlogging it and also trying to do my last minute Christmas shopping, decorating the house, just bringing you along to my daily activities. I might not have like a lot of interesting things going on, especially during the week, but I'll try to bring you along. I still have to go to a mall around my area just to see what's out there and try out a few items. So look out for that. And what am I wearing today on day 13? I'm wearing my Source Unknown sweater. It's a funnel neck. I mean, it can be styled sideways or whichever way, but I like it styled like this. And it's very cozy. I'm not wearing anything under it. And I'm wearing my full leather pants from the Frankie shop. I'm trying to make sure that this is soft, so I need to keep wearing it a lot because it's still kind of a stiff mock croc type of leather pants. And of course my house shoes. I'm not going anywhere. I have my Ruslan Bajinski hat, and this is in the burgundy, almost reddish wine, and with silver. I have my Ana Luisa 14 karat gold earrings. I've been wearing this non-stop because they're hypoallergenic. I can go to bed with it, shower with it, and they have a 2-year warranty. That said, also I have my regular schmegular jewelry on, nothing much. And I did do some editing. Also, I need to iron this. These are clothes that I need to iron. I was looking through my closet and I saw that they were not ironed, and it's not easy for me to, get dressed and all of that if my items are not ironed and ready to go. So I need to iron them. Also, I need to share this with you on this day 13. It's the coat I was talking about yesterday. It's the Frankie shop coat, 4-4 coat. I had sold my black short one, and I figured that, why I wasn't reaching for that was because, number one, maybe because it was black. I mean, I love black coats, which I have a black coat coming. That's not as structured as the one I have, and it will be a lot roomier. Hopefully it is. So I sold the black 4-4 coat because it was short, but then decided to get this long one that I can wear with I'm not gonna wear a dress top. I want to wear it with like very casual items like a tank top and jeans, heels kind of outfit, or sweater, a turtleneck sweater, very thin layered with denim this. So maybe with heels or with boots. So this is what it looks like. And the good thing is I'm wearing a very heavy sweater. You can see how thick this is, and I can still fit my sleeves in there. See how, I'm gonna step back so you can see how nice that looks. So I'm not gonna wear something heavy under it. I look like a mobster, but I love it. I love it. My brother probably sees this and say you look like a pimp, but that's the look and that's the vibe I'm going for. I'm not trying to be a pimp, but it is what it is. Hopefully you can see full length. I can never tell because of how small my vlogging camera is at the viewfinder in there, but I'm hoping that you can see it. So this is this gift that I'm opening today, and if the other one comes before I round up this video, I'll let you know. And also we need to open day 13 of Vlogmas, and I have a lot of work to do. I'm trying to edit the video from yesterday, the Tracy Ellis Ross video, it's going to go out on Sunday, and I'm going to put it on a premiere. I'm going to put it on Sunday where you get notified and you get a countdown to watch it. I'm trying my best to make sure that I do it justice in editing. And although I filmed from a camera that I don't really like. I know everybody raves about the Canon G7X Mark II. It's not my favorite camera. My Sony is out because it has a better lens. You can structure it better and all of that. That said, I need to finish my coffee, and it's in my mug. This should say joy right there. And hopefully, you know, I'll get to see if I can flip the camera and you can see that it says joy. I need to finish the camera. I had a nice workout today. My workouts are usually from the Apple Fitness, and I've loved and enjoyed that. It's part of my package of Apple One that I pay, and I've had it for years. I mean, whenever Apple One started, it's been there. So when I got my Apple Watch this past August, I decided to start, you know, utilizing it, and then played around with it, and I saw that there's the Apple Fitness there. So I'm making sure to try to use that. I usually go for a run, but because the weather is extremely cold, polar vortex and all of that, I can't be, you know, gallivanting outside running around my the trail in my neighborhood. And I'm sure my dog is probably pissed because every morning you can see that he looks at me with, he looks excited to see if we're gonna go out, and when he sees that I'm not, I can tell that he's sad and probably giving me a side eye of contempt. Okay, so let me get back to activities that I need to do and work that I need to finish off, and I'll pick you up later. So the package from the Frankie shop arrived. I already opened it, tried it. It is going back, but I wanted to share it with you since I said I was going to share. It's a coat, a black coat. I think I wanted a robe style coat, or wanted a coat that was big. But this is a medium, and it is huge. But not only is it huge, I don't like the quality of it. I think I like the quality of the coat that I got from Massimo Duty, not Massimo, Cost Better. I remember somebody that said I was a Cost girl. Yes, I am. So this is what this looks like. And it's supposed to be double-breasted. I haven't removed the buttons because I want them to see that I didn't wear it out. And I'm returning as soon as I got it. But I'm not too impressed with it. I mean, if it's going to be double-breasted and it's that way, the only thing I like about it is that it fits my very voluminous, it fits my cardigan, my sweater. So, I mean, buttoned up, this is what it looks like, and I don't like how it wrinkles. It's supposed to be 80% wool, is why I got it, and 20% polyamide. The polyamide is supposed to help it retain its structure. Maybe if I had gotten a size small or extra small. As you know, the Frankie shop really does run oversized, but this is a medium and it's a no. And I compared it to my Sport Max. I mean, comparing to Sport Max is not the best or ideal because Sport Max is owned by the same company that does Max Mara, and that's a very, you know, they're known for their coats and stuff, and Sport Max is more like the, you know, the junior line of it, but they still make very good stuff. And here is the Sport Max one. I mean, it's not as long as that one is, but it's not as oversized, and it's really well structured, and I've had it for years. I just wanted like a robe style coat, and even this will do a better job. So that's going back. And the thing about it I want to start doing now is that even though an item is on sale, once I get it, I mean, I haven't tried it on. Once I get it, my first reaction with the item when I put it on and when I try to style it is always the one I should go with and just return it, because that's an item that's going to be money in my closet and I know I will regret. So that said, let me put that back, prepare the return label, and send that one back to the Frankie shop. I mean, it would have been nice. It's not as structured as I want, so I'm going to wait for the one at cost to go on sale, or yeah, I'll wait for the one from cost. This is not a good buy at all, and I'll just send it back, put everything in the box, take out my receipt, and that's gonna be it. So I'll see you later.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
So it's now time to open the advent calendar for day 13 of Vlogmas. We're done with Clarence. It only went up to 12 days. So for the Calais tea, 13 is right here. And it's probably something I'll be able to take on day 14. I'm hoping it is. And so this is it's a green tea, flowers and fruit. It's a green tea, flowers and fruit, so it's a mom tea. So I think I'm just gonna take it on day 14. And that's it for advent calendar for day 13 for the tea. And then for L'Occitane day 13, we're done with 12 right there. Let's just have to look for day 13 is right here. So, oh, it is a big bottle. I'm so excited. So it's a shampoo. It's a reparation intense. It's an intensive repair shampoo. And I want to report back on all of this to you. So it's a dry and for dry and damaged hair. I'm sure I need this. I try to take care of my hair as possible. I put my hair in protective styles all the time. So that concludes day 13 of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you tomorrow.